Okay, so this is lesson 18. It's all about the compound sentence. We've been using them all week, so this really should just be review. I decided to start simple with the simple sentence yesterday, but we've got to move on, excuse me, and this is the compound sentence. So as you know, compound sentences are two sentences joined into one with the use of a conjunction and or but being the three most common, or maybe a simple semicolon. So we're going to go through these exercises. There are 3 of them, and we're going to be completing them all, but listen for some guidance as to the clarification on the directions. So we have a little bit of information here about compound sentences. Okay. There are 2 or more main clauses and no subordinate clauses. When we get into the complex sentence, we'll work more with subordinate clauses. But for right now, take a look. They have a couple of samples in the box below. Compound sentences are things like my favorite actor is Jamie Foxx, comma, but Norma's favorite is Brad Pitt. The comma but is very important. You need to have that comma before it. Second one, in 2004, Fox co-starred with Tom Cruise in Collateral, comma, and he played the lead role in Ray. Last one, Ray's about the life of Ray Charles, semicolon, Fox is convincing as the singer/musician. Activity 1, you simply need to put a C for compound or an S for simple. So you're going to be doing all of these. I think they fit on one screen, maybe. No, they probably don't. So here's 1 through 7. So pause your screen if you need to. I wonder if I can make it a little bit bigger here because it looks like it's cut off a little bit. There, I can move that over. And pause your screen because we're going to be moving down to 8, 9, and 10 right here. Okay, so the punctuation is really important, as you see in this question and answer below. You need that comma before the conjunction. Okay, and the question about which, does it matter which conjunction you use? Yes, it does. Down below it says use and to join sentences that have equal thoughts. Use but or yet to join sentences that contrast with each other, and use or nor to join sentences that express 2 or more possibilities. For is used to join sentences that express a cause and effect. If you want to also use the, what is missing? The fanboys, or yet or so. So is missing. So if you want to put so in there, you can also use it. And that so is also using like a cause and effect. Okay. So activity 2, I want you to do all of these. I'm going to move it over a little bit. Activity 2 wants you to combine each pair of simple sentences to form a compound sentence. Use and or nor, for or yet or but. I'm going to say you can also add in this so if you'd like. Don't forget the punctuation before the conjunction. They do not want you to use the semicolon, so use one of the conjunctions here. Okay, so we're going to be doing all 10 of them. And there you go. That is the activity to be done on your lined paper. So pause your screen and complete these 10. Finally, in activity 3, there are 3 paragraphs in total that you are to read over and underline each compound sentence. So the first one is done, as you see. It attacked racial discrimination head-on, comma, but then so did the Civil Rights Act of 1866. So look them over. Don't forget, if it does not have a subject and verb on either side of the conjunction, it is not a compound sentence. I found 5 in the total passage. So if you're finding anything over or under 5, look again. Make sure it has proper punctuation and that it does have a subject and a verb on either side of the conjunction. Okay, so pause your screen as you need. And that winds up our screencast on compound sentences. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.